If you ever need to splice two wires together outside, maybe for lights, cameras, or a pump, you definitely need a safe, waterproof junction box, like this one. It keeps your electrical connections completely sealed and protected from the weather. This box is made from premium heavy-duty plastic that's UV resistant and built to handle all kinds of outdoor conditions. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it keeps out rain, dust, and moisture. So once it's closed, your connections stay dry and secure all year round. It also includes a secure lockable design and comes with a combination lock right in the box. That adds extra layer of security and keeps unwanted hands out of your wiring setup. Installation is simple. Just mount the box, feed your wires to the rubber gaskets, make your splice, and seal it up. It's perfect for outdoor lighting, garden power, holiday displays, or any spot you might need a weatherproof electrical connection. If you want your outdoor wiring done clean and safe, this waterproof junction box makes it easy. It also comes with mounting brackets, screws, instructions for the lock, and two connectors.